Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very stress-free method of how to roast chestnut in the oven. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's begin. First, I've got these very lovely chestnuts. What I like to do is put across a slit along the center of the chestnuts, just a bit, not too deep. So I'll use a knife just like this and just put a slit on one side and another one across, just like this. So you'll end up having like a cross in the middle of the chestnuts. I'm going to continue putting these slits until I've finished all of the chestnuts I've got available. Once you've finished, you should have a cross in the center of the chestnuts, just like this. Now, what I like to do is use a pizza baking tray to put the chestnuts on. The reason for me is because the pizza tray has got these holes underneath, which really helps through the roasting process. So just simply layer it on your pizza tray, and I'm going to simply put this straight into my oven and allow it to roast for 20 minutes at 200 Celsius. Now it's been about 20 minutes later. Just take a look at these. The chestnuts have popped open in that cross slit that we made in the center, and they have roasted very nicely. Now remember, these are piping hot, so please do be careful when you're trying to open the shells. Okay, now let me pick up one and show you how absolutely gorgeous these have roasted. The slit we put in the middle at the cross helps it to roast very beautifully. It's nice and golden brown, and it's very easy to peel off the shells. You can see it's piping hot, so please be careful when trying to open them. So what I'm going to do now is simply peel off all the shells. Because they've roasted very nicely, it's so easy to peel off the shells. It doesn't take long at all. In no time, you should be able to peel off the shells, and it doesn't take long at all. Now take a look at this absolute gorgeousness. It is perfectly grilled and tastes so delicious. Now simply continue to break the shells off for the rest of the chestnuts until you've done every single one of it. See how easy it is to peel off the shells? That's exactly what you need. I think this would be the best time for me to remind you, if you haven't already, to please click the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and if it's your first time visiting us, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please do subscribe. Now back to the chestnuts. It is autumn and the very best time to get chestnuts. So whenever you're out and about and you see chestnuts in the shops, don't be afraid to pick up a pack. Just simply put a slit in the middle, put it in your oven and allow to roast for 20 minutes at 200 Celsius, and you will have yourself the absolute perfectly roasted chestnuts. They're so delicious and so easy to make. I hope you can try this out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Happy autumn!